Want to take your car's shine to the next level? Whether you're a professional detailer or a DIY enthusiast, achieving that showroom finish doesn't have to be a mystery. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 car polishers on Amazon, each one carefully selected for its performance, ease of use, and professional grade results. Stick around because we'll be showing you which one is perfect for your car. Let's start with a quick overview of the top contenders. From budget-friendly options to high-end professional tools, these polishers are ready to tackle any job. We've got a little something for everyone, so whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your setup, we've got you covered. Product 1. AOBEN 6-inch Dual Action Polisher. First up, we have the AOBEN 6-inch Dual Action Polisher, perfect for those just starting out. This affordable option gives you the power of a 6-speed motor, ranging from 1000 to 4500 RPM, making it great for polishing, waxing, and even light sanding. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and comes with everything you need to get started. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, versatile polisher that still gets the job done, this is a great pick. Product 2. AVID POWER 6-inch Dual Action Polisher. Next, we have the AVID POWER 6-inch Dual Action Polisher. What's great about this one? It's got a powerful 850 motor and 6 adjustable speeds, allowing you to fine-tune it for a variety of detailing tasks. And the best part? It comes with 3 polishing pads, so you're ready to tackle everything from a light polish to a deeper finish. If you're a beginner, looking for something with a bit more power and options, this one's a solid choice. Product 3. AUTIWOZ 6-inch Dual Action Polisher. Now, for those who need something more heavy-duty, the AUTIWOZ 6-inch Dual Action Polisher is here to impress. With an 850 copper motor, this polisher delivers smooth, consistent power. The motor ensures that you get the best results with minimal vibration, which makes a big difference when you're polishing your car for hours. This one's perfect if you're looking to step up your game and need a tool that's built to last. Product 4. Pro Lafety 10-inch Buffer Polisher. Up next, we've got the Pro Lafety 10-inch Buffer Polisher. This one is designed for those who want to cover larger surfaces quickly. With a 10-inch diameter and a solid 3200 RPM motor, it's perfect for those larger detailing jobs. Whether you're working on an SUV, truck, or just want to save time. If you're all about efficiency and want to tackle those bigger projects without breaking a sweat, this polisher is an excellent option. Product 5. Griot's Garage G9 Orbital Polisher. And last but definitely not least, the Griot's Garage G9 Orbital Polisher. This one's for the pros. Known for its powerful motor and ergonomic design, it provides an ultra-smooth finish. With variable speed settings and low vibrations, it's perfect for achieving that flawless, professional-grade shine. Plus, it's built to last and comes with a lifetime warranty, so you know it's a trusted tool. For those who are serious about detailing and want the very best, the G9 will deliver a result that will have heads turning. So which one should you pick? If you're just starting out, go for the AOBEN or AVID Power. Looking for something more powerful and built to last, the AUTIWOZ or Pro Lafety is the way to go. But if you're a professional looking for top-tier performance, the Griot's Garage G9 is unbeatable. All of these polishers will help you achieve that professional-grade finish, but the best one for you depends on your needs and experience level. We've linked all the products in the description below, so you can check them out and pick the one that's right for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car detailing tips. Which polisher do you think is the best? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you next time for more amazing car care tips.